Listen, what me go say about this Cynthia day here, Rose? Rose, you know I try to be fair. What had happened with you on Observant TV? It was this morning I hear the live that HEADTEACHA did, and it was not right. Observant is wrong. Observant should leave. Let you call her the bitch word. Let you, Observant, have a personal problem. She and HEADTEACHA have a 4 going on, and then she used this moment to attack her, and it is not okay. Just like how it is not okay what Observant did to you yesterday, it will not. And this is the thing, and I am going to call Leisha when I finish to find out what happened, and to try to talk to Leisha, because I say I don't want Leisha out here. Leisha have a brand, Leisha have her family, and I don't want Leisha getting herself into certain things. HEADTEACHA 30, yes, I'm glad you're here. I am here. Why, when you see these people being disrespectful, you all talk about? But this is what I am asking, Kay, how you get into this? For your name being dragged, what did you say? Because at this morning somebody sent me a piece of clip with you at bench and the B word and well angry. What did you say? This is getting too much. I could understand yesterday. Let me tell you, I could understand yesterday. I could understand yesterday when Observant came out, and I said it on my live, question about the GoFundMe that she did not understand, because indeed Kemar need $5,000, and because of the guy taking back the deposit and take his share of the rent, and the rent is gonna due, then the follower tell him to put up 10,000. I could understand that part. And then Rose, that live in Canada, who is a businesswoman, knows the ins and the outs, came out. And as I said, if she mentioned Observant name, there should be no problem. There should be no problem. Till that's how I understand. Now, we as fast blogger, we are going to put them out and get a piece of the juicy story. We are going to talk. Till there and then again it finish. Till there and then again it done. But now it come on, and then I hear that HEADTEACHA and thing. But how comes Rose Kitchen and Vlog and Observant have a dispute, and it reached to Observant admin our followers drawing HEADTEACHA? Listen, everybody have all right to clap back and defend themselves. Everybody have all right to clap back and defend themselves. But how you get into it in that way, Kay? Ladies, let me tell you something. At the end of the day, we all say we're upon one team. And as sad as it might sound, the whole of we are cheering Dr. D. The whole of we are cheer for her. Meaning that HEADTEACHA, Observant do a lot, help our charity a lot. Likewise, Rose, I remember Rose push on with Urine. Rose self have helped me in the past. So Rose and we are cheer on. It no look good out here. It no look good out here. Make we happy now. It no look good out here. It don't look good. And me I tell you, be glad you no come on, you can't hear. Me I tell you the truth. With it happy. Stop it. Whether we might not be a fan of person and other people in the Observant. But how comes the admin drag you? And it was when I went over Observant, you know, but I'm tell you, you know, me frightened, you know. And come off when she in her tangent and she the galang, me come off because I was shocked Because I know Observant seems to be a very decent lady. But in what, Donna, you tell me how HEADTEACHA reach into it, because wasn't the whole how HEADTEACHA reach into it? Well, now listen. This is what I say. People have to keep up them platform, comment section and clean it up. Because see it all come now. And I guess Bro Shaka is one, because I hear Miss D call him out last night, and he's a man and I don't care. And he has a platform of himself. No. It is bad for no say followers and support and two sister. This thing is getting too big, all because one make a mistake and the other one decides say she's gonna clap back and defend herself. No, follower go into it. HEADTEACHA. But I didn't know that. So you see now I didn't know. Observant, you have to look about your follower and the follower that call. And the thing is, Observant, HEADTEACHA, this is why most time I put them up. I'm not going to say you do it the wrong way, because as a platform holder I always say it, and this is why I do my live alone. I stay alone. I don't want nobody to call in or so. The comment section is enough. As a platform holder, this is why most of the time you say TV and radio, you are responsible for your platform. You are responsible for your platform, and these things, the B word, it was not necessary. It was not necessary, because it's not. I know I just don't understand how it lead up to this. I am only sorry you didn't attack the one that you didn't attack the admin or the follower. You should have attacked them. Oh, now I understand, because they said that HEADTEACHA called 5 or 6 people name over there, even my name. That's why I am very happy when they tell me never hear. Me know Observant couldn't out herself, and I said what I said. Oh, she mentioned HEADTEACHA name, and okay, then that has to be. Hold on there. Why I don't know what to say, but all I'm going to say, Observant and HEADTEACHA not supposed to have nothing. One person visited the label, wasn't reading the comments while she was venting. But I may not understand what went wrong. Or you say, why? Stop it. All of us need to stop it. It no look good. The enemy them will laugh. People like Laurie and Dirty Tina, so them are gonna get things to laugh and rejoice about. And some people only want content. Stop it. Make it finish today. The war is too long, as Celindian would said. It is too long. It is just too long. Finish it now. It is too much, man. It is just too much. I am very, very disappointed in what is going on. Too much. It's too much now. It's supposed to done. Me don't want to have nothing more to say about this care. Me know you're a Taurus like me, but sometime just bite your spit panda one ear Leave it alone. Not every time you not come out and defend yourself and clap back mean you're a coward. Sometimes you just do to get a bigger person and just don't give nobody no more content. Make this done today. Wrap it up, done it, throw it behind, we make we move on. Rose is a strong black woman. Rose, for you do business, you can't tell me so you never make a batch of cupcake and somebody stood you up, you lose money, Rose, and if you lose money, you can lose this. No tell me say from you there in a life, from you live a Bahamas, you live a Canada, you from you is a business woman, you must get losses in a life. People must order your things and not pay you. You lose, you care, you have ups, you have downs. Stay strong. Leave this alone. It's no good for we over here. We only make we enemy them cry, we rejoice. We can't make we enemy them rejoice. The whole of we a cheer on Miss D. The whole of we want Miss D win. The whole of we they are cheer on Miss D. Then if we are cheer on Miss D, what we out here fight to one another for? Yeah man, keep quiet panna. Please don't come out and answer it. And it is the same. Done. The whole of we supposed to cheer on Miss D, man. It not look good. We are gonna make thinking more Tina. The only reason why I make thinking more Tina not come out here already because thinking more Tina that I make birthday. Tomorrow you know what I should have on this. Come on, man. Woman, we better than this. Is a strong black woman we are cheer for. And we are cheer for Donna. Then if we are cheer for Donna, make we live as one and cheer. We have disappointment that go come and someone we not go like that one. Yeah. But where we depart, we no better than none. Done it, man. Me no want hear, me no want Rose. Done. Kia, done. Observant, you done. Observant, and you are the one me speak about God. You are the one we speak about God. Me really I go get mad pan no. Me I go get real mad pan Observant and HEADTEACHA. Una go stop it right now. See it there? Thinking more Tina talk about it already. One not give the enemy things to rejoice. Me a talk HEADTEACHA Rose, me no want hear nothing more about it. Me no want hear nothing more about it. Observant don't get her wrong already. We can't tone her. We can't do it because she's not the only one wrong. HEADTEACHA, you is a strong black woman. I know the first because you out here and talk things about you. I know the first we come and talk things about you. So leave it. I may tell it to from the bottom of my heart. Done. Me no want to hear nothing more about it. Blag along, blag along. We don't want to hear nothing more about it. HEADTEACHA continue with your curly and your Tina continue right over there. So you may Observant that your specialty continue with your things. And you need, if you follow disrespect the woman, this is the thing where you need to talk to no followers or no supporter. Nobody know that over here. Bloggers on the comment section can cause. You see one comment what you can do, because I was wondering how HEADTEACHA care me think it's a vengeance she have never know it's a comment. You see what you cause? Don't send no more, sister. We not send no more. Can't give dirty Tina things to talk about. Can't give Lorraine things to rejoice about. That's it. You have a brand. That is it. You have a brand to protect. Me I go talk my truth even though me might not be a favor. That's why I tell you say I respect Rose for that. And then the 13th of July, we not go there. And the whole of una go in one place, you know, the whole of una go breathe the same here. Not because one of we might fall short or fall from grace, we are go stone, and not because we might not like that person. And I am not a fan of Queen Bee, and I tell you, Queen Bee is a damn little mischief maker. Tina cannot talk anything about the GoFundMe because they said Tina will come back for Tina tomorrow. Because they said Tina did I put up GoFundMe for buy house too. She are gonna need GoFundMe for bury the thing. They make Tina stay right to spot Tina the Tina want bed. Tina want bed. I will come back for Tina tomorrow. And this is why my son are not supposed to give drunk to those like those, nothing to talk about. So Tina can't talk to nobody. Nobody Tina can talk to. Nobody. That's why we're not supposed to give her nothing to laugh about. Because her mouth not clean. Tina and him picnic them living and I don't know how they managing there. You could have the sister, the poor picnic them are suffocating in the studio. That Tina forgot talk about. Go look a nice 2-bedroom. So you see that's why I don't want it done. Done. Observant I got done. Key I got done. Me not think me have to go tell Rose sit done. Cause me never see Rose a fall around. Warrior had disrespected me over there. That's why I never type back over Observant. If I go on Observant, I put on my phone and I listen. She or him had disrespected me very much about my son because of me telling them go on page and disrespected me very much. But the only thing, and I'm not gonna say HEADTEACHA wrong because everybody decide to defend themselves, so I'm not gonna give her the wrong in defending her name. She should have attacked whosoever trouble her. She should have attacked. She should have attacked who trouble her. Well, me do my part, me give who the right from who the wrong and me carry in peace. She should have attacked who trouble. I'm not gonna say she wrong in that part. Cause again, when people swinging, them swinging. Cause that's me. When people, so I'm not gonna say she wrong in that part. When people are swing, they swing. But she should have catch Warrior and fling up Warrior. She should not go after Observant because Observant need to talk to our people them. Especially her Rincha. She need to talk to them because them put her in deep shit. And not only she, the bloggers will have them people them in them comment section where drag people. Where I drag people. Them are put in a deep shit. The one them we are open them platform for people call it. Them are put in deep shit. Them are put in a you can be a decently observer. That's why I said Observant and never come out. And it didn't have any reason anyhow. But even if it's a very decent lady, but you can't have bagger, you're a decent lady. Observant is a decent lady. That's what I hold her as my class. I just like how I hold head teacher to as a speaky spokey thing there. I would all observant. And but you cannot have your comment section a drag and a trouble people without a cause because them are gonna come at you. Me not take no side for nobody because when judgment man in observant and care now, me now go there with God, them I go born for push me. Me I go talk me truth. Even though me might not be a fan of a teacher when she right, me I go give her a right. When she wrong, just like how I observant know me like her, but she was wrong. But no because she wrong, we are go jump on her. No because she wrong, we are go up underneath her. No because she wrong, we are go class her. No because she might make a mistake in the past and we not like her, we have her up, we go lay down judgment upon her. No, no, so it go. We split justice. Because your day go come, you know. Your day gonna come when you're gonna need justice. Your day are gonna come when you're gonna need justice. Cause from yesterday me keep on saying she talk about the GoFundMe, she didn't understand whatsoever reason, but it can done. With so much people down pan Shifa, you know, if I better rose it out your class, not my teacher, too much. Too much. It is too much now. So much how we can depend on somebody because she make a mistake. And the person who she make the mistake about, not in a no bangarang, but just the content we are going to drag one woman, and we are going to curse one woman, and we are going to tear down one woman. No. No. Because everybody has said that, you have to say that we are going to go. We can't go down for her. She wrong. But that not so we go class her. That not so we go stone her. That not so we run go and follow her. That not so we drag her. Just like with HEADTEACHA. That not so we go drag her. Just like with that not so no dragging no go on because they didn't offend none of us and we are look content of the bill with page off for the story. But at least do it now. We not have to come out. We not have to drag nobody. We give observant. I just like when Majesty and the boys. Me love Majesty. You don't know that already is Majesty and my boy. I come out and I say, boy, Majesty, you have to come out and something. Now Majesty understand. But not because that me I go switch. And when the boy them did block me, I guess at the tall one can I say, come on thing there. And when them cast death upon Majesty, me go over there and me say, no, you don't know if you do that. Me say, no, you don't know if you do that. Them take it offended and see some was unmad. But no, I gave Majesty the wrong. But me give Majesty the wrong, but that not say me I go come out and I go curse Majesty. Look here, it's not about the wrong, it's the thing is, HEADTEACHA, yeah, me HEADTEACHA, observant, I said she make a mistake and things went wrong and she come out hard and rose and thing. Okay, she's wrong. But what on earth should we know when Rose have a mouth, Rose can buy out her buckle? Rose, we know a fear cuss her and a fear drag her and get up and a fear. No, with too much away they don't pan her. You talk about it, you can't talk about it one night time even take you say wait to the Saturday. They know how the Christian come out. You know, I know not detrimental. Me say worse or something upon this. I don't know that about two person have a debate and things get out of control and one gets some liquor, you know. And I'm not sure the only one where we look about time I put on my dirty girl for can talk when me not for talk. So come on people, man. All the followers and supporters and rinchers, wanna stop it, wanna put people. Cause see it now, it's a come was wondering how the backside head teacher can insert herself in a this. For what? Only if you know say it's a rincher card this a bangarang ya. But as I said, I only sorry head teacher can never go after the rincher. I am only sorry she never go after the rincher. Whether warrior, bro, shaka, them need to behave themselves. Warrior did attack me over there already. That's why I never type back over there. I listen to Observant, Observant, the great life. Because when people good, we have to say people good to the great life. Observant, the great life. Likewise, HEADTEACHA, likewise, Rose would do. There are some people, them the great life out here. The same lady V there, the great life. Life where you can sit down and learn from the great life, dissect life, very good, respectful in that here, the great life. You have some bloggers here, even though I'm not a fan of them do great life, and I sit down and listen to them. And if you know say some little people with them, somehow don't even know the people them. Who no fling range give them. And now them put you in a bangarang. Any of people, as what me say, love and peace, and it no look good. Make it done. Make it done. Don't join the content bangarang, and every money on the use and every content on the use and make money, you know. Don't join it. Done. A teacher case she done, and I believe she done. And Observant, remember, you have a platform, you portray, and people will respect you out here as a decent woman. So keep the decency, keep the peace. You make a little mistake, whether your opinion, but it was not nice what you do, accept it and move on. You're not the only one. You learn from that. Still love your same way. We're supposed to depend on one team, a cheer on. We don't want the enemy them rejoice. Love and no blessings. And only look a follower top where people you are gonna make trouble. Tap turn over there and trouble people, cause so on the cast, you know, one bangarang between HEADTEACHA and our name there. Peace and love at the heart of the day.